Countries are investing heavily in their military to outpace each other and gain dominance. The total global military budget is $2.3 trillion, or 2.1% of the world's GDP. To secure borders and gain an advantage, nations are willing to spend on advanced weapons, no matter the cost. As a result, some weapons have become incredibly expensive. In this video, we explore the most costly operational weapons across various categories. The Harop Loitering Munition is an Israeli-made loitering munition drone equipped with a high-explosive warhead, weighing approximately 23 kilograms. It is designed to target high-value, precise objectives, including both stationary and mobile targets. The drone can loiter over an area, autonomously detecting and engaging targets as they appear. With a range of up to 1,000 kilometers and a loitering time of up to 6 hours, the Harop is capable of striking its target with precision. It is equipped with an electro-optical infrared seeker for accurate targeting, which also enables human-in-the-loop control to minimize collateral damage. The Harop can be launched from ground vehicles, naval platforms, or aircraft. As a single-use suicide drone, it costs about $150,000 per unit, making it one of the most expensive loitering munition drones available. The mother of all bombs is a large-yield conventional, non-nuclear, high-explosive weapon developed by the United States. Primarily designed as a psychological weapon, it is intended for large-scale surface target destruction. The bomb is used to clear vast areas, including enemy bunkers, tunnels, and troops in open spaces. Weighing 9,800 kilograms, it has an explosive yield equivalent to 11 tons of TNT and can cover an area of up to 1.6 kilometers, depending on terrain and conditions. Measuring 9.1 meters in length and 1 meter in width, the bomb costs $170,000 per unit, though its total development cost is higher due to the research and production investments involved. The Spike missile is a multi-purpose guided missile developed by an Israeli defense company. It is widely used for precision strikes against tanks, armored vehicles, and fortified targets. Additionally, it can be deployed against bunkers, infantry, and low-flying helicopters. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for infantry operations. The missile has several variants, with ranges varying from 2.5 to 25 kilometers. It features two-way data links for real-time target updates and can be guided via a live video feed, allowing engagement of targets outside the operator's direct line of sight. The upgraded version of the Spike missile costs approximately $200,000 per unit. The Meteor is a cutting-edge, beyond visual range, air-to-air missile developed by a European defense company. It is considered one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles in the world, designed to engage and destroy airborne threats, including aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles at long ranges. Capable of striking targets beyond 100 kilometers, the Meteor is powered by a solid-fuel, variable-flow ramjet engine, enabling it to maintain speeds over Mach 4 throughout its flight. The missile offers high maneuverability in flight and features a two-way data link. These precise tracking capabilities enable the Meteor to target aircraft even if they attempt evasive maneuvers. Once the missile locks on, the target has little chance of evasion. However, operators must consider the $2 million cost of each Meteor missile before launch. The Storm Shadow is a long-range, air-launched cruise missile designed for precision strikes against heavily defended, high-value targets. Developed by a European company for France and the United Kingdom, it features a low radar cross-section, enabling it to evade enemy detection and defenses. Additionally, The missile can fly at low altitudes, following terrain contours to avoid radar detection. With an extended range of over 500 kilometers, the Storm Shadow allows aircraft to strike targets from a safe distance. The missile cruises at subsonic speeds and can carry a substantial 450-kilogram warhead. This precise, long-range, and stealthy cruise missile costs approximately $2.5 million per unit. The GMD, Ground-Based Mid-Course Defense, is the United States' primary missile defense system, designed to intercept and destroy incoming long-range ballistic missiles during their mid-course phase, which occurs outside the Earth's atmosphere. The system consists of ground-based interceptors and space-based sensors, such as satellites. When a threat from an incoming ballistic missile is detected, the system launches a defensive missile that employs a hit-to-kill approach, relying on kinetic energy to destroy the target in space. The defensive missiles of the GMD system can intercept targets over thousands of kilometers away, traveling at speeds exceeding 24,000 kilometers per hour to intercept ballistic missiles. Each ground-based mid-course interceptor missile costs approximately $30 to $40 million per unit. The Avangard is a Russian hypersonic glide vehicle that represents a significant advancement in strategic weapons technology. Designed to overcome missile defense systems, it travels at extreme speeds of Mach 20 to 27, 25,000 to 33,000 kilometers per hour, while following unpredictable flight paths. Its high speed and maneuverability make it nearly impossible for existing missile defense systems to intercept. The Avangard can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads, with a yield of up to 2 megatons, though its primary role is strategic nuclear deterrence. This hypersonic intercontinental range missile costs between $40 million to $50 million per unit, making it the most expensive hypersonic missile in the world. The Trident II is a submarine-launched ballistic missile used by the United States and the United Kingdom as part of their nuclear deterrence strategy. It is one of the most advanced SLBMs in operation, capable of delivering multiple nuclear warheads with high precision. The missile is deployed from Ohio-class submarines and Vanguard-class submarines, providing a stealthy, second-strike nuclear capability. With a targeting range of 12,000 kilometers, the Trident II can be equipped with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles. It can carry up to 14 warheads, each with a yield of either 475 kilotons or 90 kilotons. Weighing 60 tons, the Trident II costs $65 to $90 million per missile. The Dongning 2 DN2 is a Chinese anti-satellite missile system developed as part of China's space warfare and missile defense strategy. It is designed to target and destroy enemy satellites, particularly those in high-altitude orbits, such as geostationary and medium Earth orbits. The system aims to diminish the effectiveness of enemy space-based surveillance and missile defense systems. With a targeting range of 20,000 kilometers to 36,000 kilometers, it can effectively target satellites in high-altitude orbits. The Dongning 2 can be launched from ground-based missile systems, as well as mobile platforms such as ships and trucks. It uses sophisticated radar and tracking systems to identify and intercept satellites. To destroy an enemy satellite, China must bear the cost of the Dongning 2, which is approximately $100 million per launch. The B-83 is a US-made thermonuclear bomb developed in 1983 during the Cold War, and it remains one of the most powerful nuclear weapons in the US arsenal. It is primarily deployed on B-52 Stratofortress bombers, but can also be carried by B-2 Spirit stealth bombers. The B-83 is a variable-yield thermonuclear weapon, meaning its explosive power can be adjusted to meet mission requirements. providing a wide range of destructive power, from small tactical strikes to large-scale strategic impacts. Its maximum yield of 1.2 megatons is more than 60 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The bomb uses a sophisticated two-stage fusion-fission design to achieve its immense explosive potential. Weighing approximately 1,100 kilograms, the B-83 is a relatively large weapon. It remains in service with the US military, and efforts are ongoing to modernize the country's nuclear stockpile. Considering the significant research and development, production, maintenance, modernization, and deployment costs, the B-83 is one of the most expensive single-use weapons in the world, with an estimated cost of about $1.2 billion per unit.